Because Windows 8 lets many people use the same PC, how do you stop Rob from reading Diane's love letters to Jason? How can Josh keep Grace from deleting his Star Wars movie trailers? Using a password solves some of those problems. In fact, a password is more important than ever because some accounts can be tied to a credit card. By typing a secret password when signing in, you make sure your PC recognizes you and nobody else. If you protect your username with a password, nobody can access your files and rack up charges. To set up or change your password, first call up the Charms bar. Just move the mouse pointer to the top right or bottom right corners of your screen. If you want to use the keyboard, hold down the Windows key and press the letter C. For touchscreens, slide your finger from the screen's right edge inward and then click the Settings icon. The Settings screen appears. Click Change PC Settings and then click the Users category. Click the Change Your Password button. Or, to create a password, click the Create a Password button. You may need to type in your existing password. Type a password that will be easy to remember. If asked, type that same password into the Retype Password box. If you're using a local account, add a password hint. Type a hint that reminds you, and only you, of your password. Windows won't let you type in your exact password as a hint. You have to be a bit more creative. Click the Next button, and then click Finish. After you've created the password, Windows 8 begins asking for it whenever you sign in. Passwords are case sensitive. If you're afraid that you'll forget your password, there are a couple other options that might be easier to remember. Windows offers to create a picture password, where you drag a finger or mouse over a photo in a certain sequence. Then, instead of entering a password, you redraw that sequence on the sign-in picture. This works much better on touchscreen tablets than desktop monitors. Another new option is Create a PIN. A PIN is a 4-digit code like the ones punched into ATMs. The disadvantage to a PIN is there's no password hint to a 4-digit password. If you forget your password, Windows 8 automatically displays your hint if you created one, which should help to remind you. Windows asks for your name and password only when it needs to know who's tapping on its keys. And it needs that information if your PC is part of a network or you share it.